Next problem, we read down below. I'll let you read that yourself. Notice we're talking about years since 2000. And over here it even tells us that beneath the graph, x corresponds to the year 2000 for x equals 0. Notice we're dealing with units of trillions of BTUs. That's British thermal units. And it says use these 2 points to determine the slope of the line. Okay, right off the bat, we're going to use our slope formula, the difference of the y's divided by the difference of the x's. And so second y minus the first y is 143 minus 57. And down below we're going to have 4 minus 0. And that will give us 86 over 4, which for this problem I'm going to write as 21.5, 21 and a half. Now interpret this slope. Okay, we need to go back to what this 21 and a half means. That is a positive, so it's going to be a rise in energy use and a run of time. Okay, rise in energy use. That's going to mean every year, there's my time, I'm going to say there's an additional 21.5 trillion BTUs consumed. And that's not, there's an additional, it's not how much we're consuming, it's an additional amount over the previous year. Then we want to use these 2 points to find a linear equation. Well, we just found the slope up above. The slope up above was 21.5, and notice this 0,57 starts with the 0. That tells us b is 57. That's a y-intercept, and so we can write y equals 21.5x plus 57. Then, if this trend continues, we then want to make a prediction for the year 2010, and we want to comment that that is going to be 10 years after the year 2000. And so we will have y equals 21.5, which we had above, 0.5, times the 10 plus 57. That would be 215 plus 57, which would be 272 trillion British thermal units. We've got a phone bill determined each month with a flat fee and then an 8 cents per minute. So write an equation here. Y equals 8 cents per minute times x, there's my variable fee, plus the $18.95. The rate will always be the slope. Now personally, I would have liked 18.95 first, plus this slope, and gone b plus mx, but we always go with mx plus b in our math classrooms. Okay, continuing on. Use this equation to compute the phone bill. Now in hour 27 we need to convert into 87 minutes, and then we're going to substitute that into the equation that we had right up above. So y is going to equal 0.08 times 87, that's the fee for the minutes, plus the $18.95 monthly fee. This gives us $6.96 plus the $18.95, and we get a grand total here of $25.91. Notice that was a lot easier.